Would you like to improve your sound in 2 minutes? Welcome to the Music Cave. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Welcome to Scott's Music Cave. Today I have a video on how to improve your sound with 2 minutes. It's called 2-Minute Tone Builder, and it's something that I've worked on and sort of created. Maybe it's been created before, but it's something I like. And let's get on into it. What we're going to do is you'll pick a scale, and today I'm just going to pick my G scale, which is concert F. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the scale slowly, almost like a long tone, and I'm going to play each note and listen to each note very carefully. And I'm just going to play this scale all the way up, all the way down, and I'm going to listen to that scale very carefully, and I'm going to pick 2 notes. I'm going to pick the note I thought sounded the best, and I'm going to pick the note that I thought sounded the worst. And I'm going to take those 2 notes, and I'm going to try to make the worst note sound as good as the best note. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to play the scale again, and there'll probably be 2 more notes that, again, one sounds better than the other, and so I will pick those 2 notes and try to make the worst one sound as good as the best one. So I'm going to play it a little quicker than what I want you to play. I say 2 minutes. It definitely can go longer. Probably don't want it to go shorter. It's also a great little warm-up before you play music. So let me just play it. I'm going to play it quickly, but I'm going to really listen to each note. Now maybe you don't quite hear it, so play it again, and just listen again. That's definitely fine. So to me, I thought the A sounded the best and the D sounded the worst. So I'm just going to go back and forth and try to make one sound better than the other. So maybe I'm going to adjust my throat, open my throat up a little bit on that D and try to get it to open up and sound a little bit better. Other things to consider is like how your neck position is. Maybe you want to raise your neck strap a little bit and get your head up a little bit so the air flows better. So I'm making slight embouchure adjustments when I hit that D, and I think that sounds a lot better than when I first started. And so just repeat that process, and that's the exercise. Now I'm going to go into a few more details here. There could be issues with your actual instrument where you have leaks, and that's causing certain notes to sound bad, or key venting. So the D is a common note to sound stuffy on a saxophone, and lots of times that's because your low C or your B or your B flat aren't opening up far enough. Same thing like with your F sharp, because you now have this key that's this key that's actually fighting the venting. So like if you played F sharp, just holding that key down, it would sound really good. But you close that key, now your venting's a little weird. Same thing with side keys. Like this is a side F sharp key, so that might not be opening up far enough. Same thing like maybe the whole stack needs to be opened up. That's something to hopefully have a good tech, and they can help you with that. If you get into it, like a lot of times, like the middle C is going to sound worse than the side C because of how the instrument's vented. But a lot of times, if you open up the keys far enough, the middle finger C will sound as good as the side C. For example. And so that sounds pretty even. And also I am making a little embouchure adjustments when I hit that middle C, and that's just something like you can do. Just pick 2 notes. So like maybe just you want to do your work on your side C and your middle C, and play around with that. Yeah, so that's it. That's the video. I hope that helps. I'll keep it short, and it's something that I found very helpful. I'm going to be making some more videos on improving your sound, so if you don't mind, please subscribe and also like this video. Thanks.